Hey guys, it's Mollie, Design Loves Detail, and we are talking kitchen products from the latest reveal over at the Flip House. Can't wait to show you more. Alright, so obviously there's a million products in the kitchen space because it's really the kitchen, pantry, and dining. So covering a lot of ground today. I do talk quickly. If it is a problem, you could slow it down. So it lets you adjust down there in the bar below the video. Like, it lets you choose your listening speed, so you can make me slower if you need to. Alright, so we've got a ton of ground to cover today because there were a million products in the kitchen. It's really the kitchen, pantry, and dining, so there was just a lot of stuff. I know that some people comment that every once in a while, and so sorry about that. And if you like fast, then you're welcome. So first up, I'm gonna talk about the pendant lights. I love these. They are just really simple, clean. They're like a frosted glass, and I like the scale. They're kind of like a medium size, not too small, not too big, but they have them in a black and a bronze. I did the black, the midnight black, and they're $128, so I feel like those are a pretty darn good deal, available at Walmart. Also, the lights for the sink, like or on either side of the sink, the sconces, those are also on sale. They're $114 right now. I want to say I paid something like $150 for them. So this is a really good price if you're looking for sconces. These are really cute to use in like a bathroom as well, on either side of the mirror. Great use. Love them there in the kitchen. They just add a lot of charm and character, and they're a good size. So those are one I highly recommend, and they're in the matte black for $114 right now. Hopefully that price doesn't adjust. Oh, speaking of Walmart, I actually just got done posting over on my blog, designlovesdetail.com, a Walmart fashion roundup. So if you guys are looking for good deals for summer clothes, they have really good stuff for kids and husbands as well. This one's just the women's roundup, so stuff that I bought that I'm loving, such as this dress. I'll link it for you guys too in description, but if you want to see even more like Walmart fashion for really good prices, hop over there. They have these workout clothes I'm obsessed with, that it's like the sports bra and matching leggings that seriously feel so close to my Lululemon leggings for under $25. So anyway, good stuff. Go check that out. Back to the kitchen. So yes, Walmart, I use a ton of Walmart products in this space. They have that new home edit collection with the pantry. So I've got all of those linked. We have the little risers for like your canned goods. They've got the bins, the storage bins, all like acrylic, so they look really minimal and clean. They have the spinning thing for like spices, a little Lazy Susan. And then of course those darling bar stools that I'm obsessed with from Marshall's. They did sell out. The wishbone counter stools, they look like the McGee & Co. ones, so I think that's why they sold out so quick, because they were such a good dupe. But I have seen them twice now, so I'm gonna watch for those to restock. And then if you follow over on my Instagram stories, I post the restocks daily and deals and stuff in the Instagram stories. So if you're new here, that's kind of where I keep you up to date on a daily basis, is over there. The light fixture in the dining room is another one to talk about. I actually found this on Zulily, and it's a really good size. I went with the linear pendant, of course, because I wanted to break up, give a different look than what we had with the pendants, since we did have, you know, a few lights in that same general area. So the linear pendant really helped with giving a different shape, and then it doesn't have any glass like the others did. The pendants, of course, have that frosted glass, and this one's just an open fixture. It is $2.95. It's a really good size, and it actually has an extra coupon right now. If you click on there on the item page, an extra 5% off. So it's like the $2.95 with the, and then an additional 5% off of that. So it's already on sale, being on Zulily, and then you get the additional 5% right now. So definitely a good one, and a good scale, and pairs well with a lot of different light fixtures. The dining table, okay, this is showing that it's going to be in stock June 2nd. This video should be coming out June 1st, so tomorrow. I think it should be back, as long as it follows what it says on Wayfair right now. The dining table should be back tomorrow. So like, set an alarm or something, watch for it. You can check it now in case it came a day early. I'll put the link. It is a great dining table. I really, really love it. It is extendable, so the length that it is regularly is 72. So that's just when it's collapsed, no leaf in. When you add the leaf, it goes up to 90 inches, and it is a great size. I feel like you can get, I only end up doing the 2 chairs on either side, but I think you can do 3 and 3, and then the ends, so that you could seat 8, just based on that table size, tabletop size, once it's extended. It's pretty great. And it's like a natural wood with like a gray wash, a little gray wash over it. It feels, for one thing, very high end. You can see there's only one review, but it's 5 stars. And it has a really, really cool wood inlay top. It's kind of like, looks like lattice pattern or something, but it's a gorgeous table. I love the base of it. It's around $1,000. So I feel like for that size and the quality of it, that is a good price. In fact, it used to be, I think, more like 1,200. Yeah, it was 1,200, so it is nearly 10% off right now. Pretty great. The side chairs that I got, also I love them. They are from the Austin Avenue collection that I made, and I just adore them. So it comes with a set of 2, the Amy chairs. They're a gray, like a painted gray, modern but classic at the same time. Really, really love those. They pair well with a lot of different, I think, styles too. So if you have a different dining table, I think that they would work well with a variety of styles, but they looked really, really great with this table. And then the end chairs, of course, I went upholstered just to mix it up and give it kind of like a little bit of that like restoration hardware vibe. So it's a little bit higher end feeling, the luxurious upholstered chairs. I got these at Target, the end chairs. They have mixed reviews. I really like them. They're a little bit firm on the seat, but I feel like for a dining chair, you want that. Like people that are not giving great reviews are saying that they're not that comfortable. It's kind of hard and springy, but like when you're sitting at a dining table, you don't want to sink into the chair. So I think these people, well, that one for sure looks like they were using them as living room chairs. So yeah, I think that they are better as a dining chair, dining in chair, than they would be like in a comfy, cozy living room. They're a little more formal. So I think for the style and the value, the price point, I think these are a good buy. I was really happy with them and they looked gorgeous in there. They're a little bit on the, if you have a dining table with a lightweight rug underneath, these might not slide very well on it. Just something to think about. You might not end up moving them a ton, so it'd be fine, but just that would be one thing that might be tricky with them. That planter bowl, fruit bowl on the table, it comes in 3 different sizes. I believe I got the largest one, I'm pretty sure, but it might be the medium. I think it was the large. I forgot to measure which size I got, but I think it was the large. So it is on sale right now. Those are awesome. I mean, you might want all sizes because they're so darn fun. I just love that texture that concrete adds. And then right now on the middle of the kitchen table, I had the long one of these wood dough bowls. You can get the set of 2 right now on sale for $22, which is really, really good for those. They're kind of like a raw natural wood. They're great. I used one, you'll see when we do the full home tour, I used one in the laundry room and then one on the kitchen table. Those are really great for centerpieces, I think, because they're kind of more long and linear. The kitchen runner, I found a good price on. I will link that. It's 50% off right now. It's like $123 and it's long. It's 10 feet long. Love it. Very neutral, very pretty. So I highly recommend that. It's like 300 something on Wayfair. So this is a really good price. I'll link that. That cute plant in the little basket on the countertop, it is a Faux Thyme. I love these plants. They're one of my favorite. I also used one in the bathroom reveal on top of the cabinet. That one I definitely recommend. Just looks really cute and fresh. And then that, I mentioned that I would talk about the Walmart collection of appliances. Like Drew Barrymore did a line with them called Beautiful, and it is in fact beautiful. It's all kitchen stuff that matches. So they have it in neutrals like the black and the white, and there's also a gray, like a bluish, and then a sage green. They're really cool. That sage green is actually really fun. And they have kind of like brass accents, like just in the, they're cute. And this one has 59 reviews and it's 4.9 stars for this mixer. It is a knockoff essentially of the KitchenAid, but it's so darn cool and it like suctions to the countertop so that it doesn't move. So if you're looking for a stand mixer like this and you wanted a KitchenAid, this looks like an amazing option. I didn't use it because we got it for staging. The quality of it seemed awesome and the reviews are really, really great. I wish I would have had a chance to use it now because I'm like, I want to try it. But it really seems like a good one based on, it's hard to have that many 5-star reviews for after you get up to 60 reviews. There's a blender from that collection as well. It's like I got the white with the gold accents, and then there's a Dutch oven, the big lidded pot, as well as the toaster, very cute. Again, they all come in those color options. And the insert, I found a good insert. I wanted something affordable to go, because I did the wall with the range hood and then those glass shelves. I just wanted a nice, modern, clean hood insert to go up inside that hood I designed. This one's a good price and has good reviews. It's $257.99, 36-inch, and seemed to work well from everything that I saw. Again, like I haven't lived in the flip house, so I can't say like long term, but the 4.7 stars out of 280 reviews I think is really good, and the price is good. So thought I would include that, as well as the appliances. We did that one microwave in the island. It's one that is on sale, actually. It's 10% off, and then they have a trim kit that goes around it that gave it that clean look, so it could really be like simple look to it. So I'll link the trim kit as well as the microwave, and that worked great in the island. The sink, I had kind of tricky dimensions for the sink, so this is a little bit more customized specific sink, but it looked really good because I wanted just like something really neutral to blend with the Simply White counters. So this one actually comes in a bunch of different colors if you are looking for a sink that is gray, or they have like, gosh, like 10 colors, mostly neutrals, but I just got the white. That was the one I used in there. The fridge is actually amazing. I got it on sale. It's not on sale right now, but I will watch for it to go back on sale because it is such a good one. I picked a lot of stuff based on consumer reviews. This one's got a ton of features, so people seem to love it. It has like a pitcher built in. It's got like the door that opens where you can just open the front to grab like your water bottle. Anyway, really some fun features with that. And it has the double door drawer for the freezer. The range is on sale though right now. Hopefully these continue through because of course, Memorial Day sales are happening, and some of them carry through the whole week, but some don't. Hopefully some of these are on sale still. The range is showing that it is on sale. It's under $1,200, and it's nice because this is a really clean one. It doesn't have like that back panel. It's all in the front, which, you know, if you have kids, this isn't as ideal, but it definitely has a really clean look to it, and so that's what we were going for, modern. The dishwasher is 20% off. It's, again, in that black stainless. What's nice about black stainless is the more fingerprint resistant, it says anyway. I haven't tested that, but I know that that's why a lot of people kind of prefer. It's a little bit more of like almost like it's still metallic, but more matte instead of shiny. For the dishes that I used, there was a bunch of stuff for styling in those cabinets, but one of them is the gray modern Gap Home collection of stoneware. It's got like the plates, the bowls, the cups, and it comes in black, white, a couple of colors, and the gray. So really pretty, really modern and simple. And then the fun vase on the counter, it's like that found artifact look. It should be back in stock soon. I will include that. I love this piece. It's nice and substantial. Feels really earthy and just adds a lot of character, I feel like, to the kitchen. Handles, really fun handles. I love these. They are in the honey bronze finish, so they're like a gold, but then not like too brassy. They're kind of a warm gold, which I really like and looked amazing on that cabinet color. So loved these, and they come in a variety of sizes. I'm linking kind of the medium size, but just if you go to the compare similar items down at the bottom of the page, there are smaller, wider, like whatever you need. They've got a variety. We did varying lengths based on the drawer widths in that kitchen, so you can get exactly what you need. The tree, the faux tree in the dining room, I've been waiting for it to come back in stock. It's saying that it's coming back in a few days. It says June 5th. So I'm hoping that's the case, because I really like this one. Again, this one has kind of mixed reviews. It's weird sometimes, like reviews when, yeah, see, like how do you have a 5-star high quality faux tree, which is what I agree with, and then there's a 4-star, and then there's a 1-star. Like, that's just very confusing. Anyway, I really like this tree, but you can see how it looks in my video is how I felt like it, you know, looks, and I felt like it was really close to the picture, but I think it was Marla wasn't agreeing. No, Angela. Marla gave it a 4-star. Moving on. Like the tree. Hopefully it's back soon. The concrete pot is going to be back. It's showing, well, I don't know when it's going to be back. It just says sold out, but I put that tree inside this big concrete pot, and it's really cool one. Hopefully that will return soon as well. The shades, I did remember to go add that link in. They're a natural woven shade, and I got the Montserrat, I think is the name, Montserrat Gray Pearl. I've asked these guys, I've asked Blinds Galore to send me a coupon code, and they said they would, but then they never sent it. So if you're looking at them, hang on for a minute, because I think that they're gonna send me a code. I'm just waiting to get it. So hopefully I can add that like when we do the full tour or something, because that'd be great if we had a coupon code. I do like the blinds. They're pretty. They're like a woven, and they gave pretty good coverage. Still some light comes through, but not like a privacy issue. So those are a good one. And floors we talked about. It's the Hallmark Floor Camarilla Oak. It's like a vinyl plank product, and they looked so good in that kitchen. The island is a custom stain that I did with my cabinet company, and it's like a gray wash. So essentially, like if you're looking for something similar, you might want to ask your cabinet company. It's a white oak for the island with kind of a warm gray stain. That's hopefully everything. Let me know if you guys still have any questions, and I'll get back to you in comments. You let me know. The stone guide I'm almost done with, and I literally made video throughout the whole process so you can like see it. Like I did a time lapse of it being installed, included like a bag, like showed the bag of the grout. So that's gonna be a really good guide, and I'll do a coupon code for that as well, because it's going to like take all the guesswork out of if you want to do a stone wall. It's like the products from the thin set, the stone, the mortar between. So it's a very complete guide. So Cool. I'm excited. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you guys for watching. We've got exciting stuff coming. We're going to be doing, coming up soon is the reveal of the entire flip house, as well as a walkthrough of the main level floor plan of our new build. So we'd love to have you guys subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of future videos so you don't miss anything. Let me know what you're most excited about, the flip reveal or the walkthrough of the main level of our new build. Curious. And I will see you next time. We'd love to have you also like and follow us over on Instagram at Design Loves Detail, and check out designlovesdetail.com for more sources and images and all the things. So see you next time.